girl Tiaa here, and today's video I'm going to be doing a review on the Fila, not Fila, Fila sock boots. Okay, so this is the box. You know, pretty straightforward. Got the logo. I know people used to saying Fila, but they call Fila. 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 So, it's the tissue paper, wrapping paper. Now, for the shoe. Alright. Oh, okay. So these are the sock boots. I have not worn them. Look at it. So they made like the original Fila shoe on the bottom, but I'm glad they made the sock boot version because I did not want the like regular ones because they look too bulky. But these, it kind of got like the bulky bottom, but it don't look too big, too bad. And then they got the sock, and it's like a stretchy material. They look like, you know, the little Balenciagas, or you know, the whole sock shoe era, sock boot era really taking off right now. So on the back, say Fila. I got the F. I believe this is leather. Then it got the stretchy material. And then it has Fila right here. This is what the bottom look like. And now let's do a try on. Let's do a try on. But these look super cool. They are $90, and these versions are exclusive to Urban Outfitters. They're $90 versus getting some Balenciagas that are like $900 to $1,000. So great buy. Let me try these on. I probably shouldn't have did that. Now, oh, that hurt. My teeth hurt. Now I'm probably have to go see a dentist. I gotta try these on. Ooh. These are comfy. Okay, lift up my leg like that. Probably would be nice for me to take off the insert. It's a nice stretchy material though. These are comfy. Ooh, ooh. Oh, look, y'all. These are nice. Let me show y'all. thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this review. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.